When it comes to racing, motorcycle suspension plays a pivotal role in delivering stability, control, and performance. Whether you're zipping through tight corners or tackling high-speed straights, having the right suspension system can make all the difference. With so many options available, finding the best one for your racing needs can be daunting. That's why we've compiled a list of the top 7 best motorcycle suspensions for racing, ensuring you have the edge on the track. Let's dive in. Number 1. Hegeiis HE67 Motorcycle Air Shock Absorber. The Hegeiis HE67 Motorcycle Air Shock Absorber is a high-performance option designed for racers seeking improved control and comfort on the track. Its robust construction features durable aluminum alloy and precision-engineered components that withstand the rigors of high-speed racing. The air-based suspension system is fully adjustable, allowing riders to fine-tune the damping and preload settings for optimal performance. This adaptability ensures a smooth ride, even on bumpy tracks, and enhances stability during tight maneuvers. Its large piston design further improves responsiveness, offering quicker adjustments to road conditions. With a sleek black finish, the HE67 not only performs well, but also adds a touch of style to your bike. The installation process is straightforward, with universal fittings that make it compatible with a wide range of motorcycles. Durability is another highlight. Its corrosion-resistant materials and sturdy build ensure long-lasting performance, even under extreme racing conditions. For racers looking to enhance their bike's handling and comfort, the Hegeiis HE67 delivers exceptional value and performance.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. Progressive Suspension 444 4213C Chrome Rear Shock. The Progressive Suspension 444 4213C Chrome Rear Shock is a premium option tailored for racers who demand both aesthetics and functionality. Its eye-catching chrome finish not only enhances your bike's appearance but also provides a layer of protection against corrosion and wear. This suspension features a patented frequency sensing technology, FST, which automatically adjusts damping based on road conditions. This ensures a smoother ride without compromising control, making it ideal for high-speed racing. The twin-tube design adds to its reliability, offering consistent performance during extended use. The 444 4213C is built for versatility, with adjustable preload settings that allow racers to customize their ride based on weight and riding style. The robust springs and high-quality seals ensure durability, even under heavy loads and aggressive use. Installation is simple, with a direct bolt-on design compatible with most motorcycle models. Number 3. Psler Rear Shock Absorber Lowering Kit for Sportster. The Psler Rear Shock Absorber Lowering Kit for Sportster is a versatile solution for riders looking to enhance their bike's performance and aesthetics. Specifically designed for Harley-Davidson Sportster models, this kit offers a lower ride height, improving stability and control at high speeds. Constructed from high-strength steel and aluminum, this suspension system ensures durability and longevity. Its sleek black powder-coated finish resists rust and corrosion, maintaining its appearance even after prolonged use. The dual-spring design provides excellent shock absorption, reducing vibrations and improving comfort during races. The lowering kit not only enhances handling but also improves aerodynamics by lowering the bike's center of gravity. This results in better stability during sharp turns and improved braking performance. Adjustability is another highlight, allowing riders to fine-tune the suspension based on their weight and racing style. Installation is user-friendly, with clear instructions and all necessary hardware included. For Sportster riders seeking an upgrade that combines functionality with improved handling, the Psler Rear Shock Absorber Lowering Kit is a reliable and effective choice. Number 4. FXCNC Racing 320mm Motorcycle Rear Shock Absorber. The FXCNC Racing 320mm Motorcycle Rear Shock Absorber is engineered for racers who demand precision and performance. With a striking design and high-quality construction, this suspension system offers exceptional value for its price. Made from durable aluminum alloy, the FXCNC shock absorber is lightweight yet robust, ensuring it can handle the stresses of competitive racing. Its anodized finish provides resistance to corrosion and wear, maintaining its sleek appearance over time. This suspension features adjustable damping and preload settings, allowing riders to fine-tune their bike's performance. Whether you're navigating sharp corners or accelerating down straights, the FXCNC delivers consistent and reliable handling. The 320mm length makes it suitable for various motorcycle models, offering versatility for racers of different bikes. Installation is straightforward, with universal fittings that simplify the upgrade process. Number 5. Hegeiis 360mm Motorcycle Air Shock Absorber Blue. The Hegeiis 360mm Motorcycle Air Shock Absorber combines bold aesthetics with advanced functionality. Its vibrant blue finish adds a stylish flair to any racing bike, while its robust design ensures exceptional performance on the track. This air shock absorber is crafted from high-strength aluminum alloy, offering durability and resistance to wear and tear. The adjustable air pressure system allows riders to customize the damping and preload settings, ensuring optimal performance based on track conditions and riding style. With a longer 360mm length, this suspension system provides enhanced stability and shock absorption. The dual-chamber design ensures smooth and responsive handling, even on challenging terrains. Its advanced sealing technology prevents leaks, ensuring long-term reliability. Installation is simple, with compatibility for a wide range of motorcycles. The Hegeiis suspension offers a significant upgrade in handling and comfort, without requiring extensive modifications. For racers seeking style and substance, the Hegeiis 360mm air shock absorber delivers on both fronts. Number 6. QIHAOACC 500 ohms 350mm Racing Front Shock Absorber. The QIHAOACC 500 ohms 350mm Racing Front Shock Absorber is designed for competitive racers who prioritize control and stability. Its heavy-duty construction supports up to 500 pounds, making it suitable for a wide range of motorcycles and racing scenarios. Crafted from high-quality steel and aluminum, this suspension system offers durability and resistance to wear. Its polished finish enhances both aesthetics and protection against corrosion. The 350mm length ensures compatibility with various bike models, providing versatility for riders. Performance is a key focus of the QIHAOACC suspension. The adjustable damping system allows for precise control, ensuring smooth handling during sharp turns and high-speed runs. Its robust springs effectively absorb shocks, reducing rider fatigue and improving comfort. Installation is user-friendly, with all necessary components included in the package. The straightforward setup process ensures a quick upgrade for your racing bike. For those seeking a powerful and reliable front suspension system, the QIHAOACC Racing Shock Absorber is a standout option. Number 7. 4PCS Front/Rear Suspension Shock Absorber 250mm. The 4PCS Front/Rear Suspension Shock Absorber offers a comprehensive solution for racers looking to upgrade both front and rear suspension. With a compact 250mm length, these shock absorbers are ideal for smaller racing bikes or those seeking tighter handling. Constructed from high-strength steel and rubber, these shocks provide excellent durability and shock absorption. The dual-spring design ensures smooth performance, reducing vibrations and enhancing stability during high-speed maneuvers. Their compact size doesn't compromise performance. These shocks deliver reliable handling and improved comfort, ensuring racers can focus on the track without distractions. The robust materials resist wear and corrosion, ensuring long-term performance. The 4PCS package provides exceptional value, allowing riders to upgrade both front and rear suspension in one go. Installation is straightforward, with universal fittings that simplify the process. For racers seeking an affordable and effective suspension upgrade, the 4PCS 250mm shock absorbers are a fantastic choice. And there you have it, the top 7 best motorcycle suspensions for racing. Each product on this list offers unique features tailored to enhance your bike's performance and your racing experience. Upgrade your suspension today and feel the difference on the track. Let us know your favorite in the comments and race safely.